Fashion promotion is aimed at students who have an interest in the fashion industry, but don't really particularly like making clothes. It's where marketing, media, and fashion meet. Fashion promotion offers a broad range of practical experiences. It's a blend of academic and creativity. The curriculum is designed in partnership with industry professionals. Year one is designed to introduce you to the fundamentals of fashion communication. So you'll be introduced to the fashion industry and the landscape and everything that exists within that world. And then we will start focusing on more specialist areas such as fashion branding, fashion styling, consumer psychology. In year two, we explore image making through fashion photography and video. We introduce you to marketing communications and PR and media. So year three is where you pull it all together. You work on live briefs, there's collaborative projects, there's an opportunity to work with students from other areas of the university. You write your final major projects and put together a portfolio ready to graduate. Assessment is 100% coursework. There are no exams on this course.